the Disney Train and Station. It's by Lego.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is Thanksgiving and we have some Thanksgiving presents. This is Kids Places. We are opening our presents right now. See you when we're done building. And I won't be able to show that because it comes with like 16 bags or maybe more. And the instructions are big, so we won't show the train, we'll just show the bags. So see you when we're done.
That is what the bags look like.
So look,
This
is the train. It's called the Disney Train and Station. It's by Lego. There's 2,925 pieces.
Oh my goodness.
This is the biggest Lego kit that we've had.
Yeah, we never had one this big before.
Look, here's bag 18. I don't know how many bags it has. It comes with tracks, and it comes with like 5 different books
4
of instructions and stickers.
Yep, that's the big box it came in.
This is the.
So I'll show you my brother's lightsaber.
Okay, Alex, we want an update on your train.
What does an update mean?
Whoa.
Well, that's some of it. I'm working on the caboose right now.
So this is day 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
No,
And-
it's day 3 yet.
You already did this passenger car, the coal car, and the engine. And you say that's the caboose?
Yeah, I'm working on it right now.
Wow, this is so cool. So, there's the driver.
Yeah.
There's Mickey in there.
And we got this cool switch.
And it looks like that in here is where you would push the button to make it go, right?
Yeah.
And there's some seats in there. So, I can't wait to see what the caboose looks like. Is that the last part of the train?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I just gotta build the station, which I might do a little bit, which I might do maybe next year or next month.
Okay, you could take a little break
And we
because
even-
you've done a lot of building. So, thanks for the update, and we'll see you later.
Bye.
So, Alex finished the Lego train.
Well, not the
Bag
station.
on the top.
That's all built out of Legos.